Good morning, children. Some more paragraphs from the lesson Albert Einstein at school. Children, in my last class, I told you that Albert had worried over the matter so much that he was really nervous. Now we find Albert in front of a doctor, in front of the doctor, Dr. Will. He told the doctor that he did not really know how to describe his trouble. The young doctor told him with a friendly smile, that he should not try. He told him not to try, to explain, to describe. Yuri has already given me history of the case. In fact, according to the doctor, Yuri had already informed him about Albert's case. Oh, what did he say? Albert was shocked. He wanted to know what Yuri had told him. Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown and say that you mustn't go back to that school. The doctor answered that Yuri had told him that Albert did not want him to think that he had had a nervous breakdown, and he wanted the doctor to say that he must not go back to that school. That's all. Oh dear, Albert's face fell. Albert felt dejected, disappointed. He shouldn't have told you that. He did not want Yuri to have discussed that with Dr. Ernst Bell. Why not? Isn't it true then? Now the doctor wanted to know why Yuri should not have told him that. He wanted to know whether what Yuri had told him was right or wrong, whether what Yuri had told him was true or not. Yes, that is the trouble. Einstein agreed that that was the trouble. He wanted to say that what Yuri had told him was right. Now he will say there is nothing wrong with me and he will tell me to go back to school. Now he told the doctor that he would tell him that there was nothing wrong of him and he would advise him to go back to school because he knew the truth. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. The doctor forbade him to be too sure of that. How could he be sure what doctor would tell him or not? What the doctor would tell him or not? As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. Here, the doctor agreed that he was completely sure, pretty sure, very sure that Albert was in a nervous state about that school. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert. Now Albert told him that he had not told the doctor anything about that. Wide-eyed means what? Having one's eyes wide open as a result of surprise or fear. Having one's eyes wide open as a result of surprise, fear, etc. you can say. So Albert was surprised. He said that what did he say? He said that he had not told anything about it to the doctor. How can you know that? He wanted to know how the doctor could know that, because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. I have already told you that the doctor was pretty sure, completely sure, very sure that Albert was on the point of a nervous breakdown. That is why he had visited him. Otherwise, he would not have visited him. Now, said the doctor briskly. Briskly means what? In an active, quick or energetic way. In an active, quick or energetic way. If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what will you do? Briskly means what? Doctors told him in an active, quick or energetic way. If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what will you do? Doctor wanted to know what Albert would do if the doctor certified that he had had a nervous breakdown and he had to stay away from school for a time, for a while, for some time. The doctor wanted to know what Albert would do. Then I will go to Italy. Albert disclosed his plan that he wanted to go to Italy after that, to Milan, where my parents are. He wanted to go to Milan where his parents were living. And what will you do there? Now the doctor wanted to know. He came out with another question. What he would do after going there? What he would do? Doctor wanted to know. The doctor wanted to know what Albert would do after going there. I will try to get into an Italian college or institute. Albert told him frankly that he would try to seek admission there in an Italian college or institute. How can he without a diploma? Now the doctor asked him how he could get into an Italian college or institute. Why? Why did he ask him? Because Albert had no diploma. So it was practically difficult for him to get into an Italian college or institute. I will ask my mathematics teachers to give me something about my work. Albert replied that he would ask his mathematics teachers to give him a recommendation letter. Recommendation letter what? A letter of recommendation, also known as a letter of preference, is a document in which the writer assesses the qualities, characteristics and capabilities of the person being recommended. A letter of recommendation, also known as a letter of preference, is a document in which the writer assesses the qualities, characteristics and capabilities of the person being recommended. So Albert told him that he would ask his mathematics teacher to give him something about his work, give him a recommendation letter, and perhaps that will be enough. And Albert thought that that recommendation letter given by his mathematics teacher would be able to help him. I have learnt all the maths they teach at school and a bit more. He claimed that he had learnt all the maths. He claimed that he had learnt all the maths that was discussed at school, and he knew a bit more than that. He added when Dr. Will looked doubtful. When he found that Dr. Will was doubtful, he added that he knew a bit more mathematics than what? He knew a bit more mathematics than they taught at school. Well, it's up to you, he said. Doctor said that everything depended on him now. I doubt if it will come up. Doctor was not sure whether it would happen or not. But I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. But here the doctor was sure that Albert was not doing himself or anyone else much good by staying there in Munich. How long would you like me to stay? How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Now the doctor wanted to know the time. Means he wanted to know how much time he should mention in the certificate. Would 6 months be alright? He wanted to know whether he should mention the time of 6 months would be alright. Whether he should mention 6 months. He wanted to know whether it would be alright or not. This is very kind of him. Albert agreed with him and praised him for his kindness. It's nothing. I have only just stopped being a student myself. Oh. He said nothing. Who said nothing? It is nothing. The doctor. I have only just stopped being a student myself. He was a student only a few days ago. So I know how you feel. Because he was a student, so he knew the feeling of another student. A few days ago he was a student, so he knew the conditions and situations of a student. This was his meaning, Doctor. Ernst Will's meaning. Here you are. Here you are means he gave him his certificate. Dr. Will handed him the certificate and the best of luck. He wished him best of luck. How much? Now Albert wanted to know how much fees. He wanted to know about his fees. How much he should pay? Nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite you to a meal. He is a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. Doctor told him to give him nothing. No amount, no money as his fee. But he wanted to know if he wanted to say that if Albert had anything to spare, Albert should invite Yuri to a meal, because Yuri was not only his friend but his friend also. Albert's friend he was, but he was Ernst Bell's friend also. Albert had no money to spare. Albert did not have any extra money to spare, but he pretended he had. But he showed that he had some spare money and took Yuri out to supper. And one day he managed to take Yuri out to supper. Thank you, children.